Alright guys, we're going to go kind of over some of our recent bottle finds. Here they are. This was from digging in a snowstorm, so that is why I didn't really get to record, but I will show you guys the bottles now. We got Tone Brothers Flavoring Extract from Des Moines, Iowa. Very nice looking blown bottle. We got this. It says tobacco extract tobacco something. Extract, and then tobacco's on the bottom, and then something in the middle. We got Bromo Seltzer, a screw top with it on the side, not just embossed at the bottom. So that's more uncommon to find for a screw top. We got the bigger size of this Heinz Honey and Almond Cream. Screw top, of course. They all are, though. This one's a really cool. It says contents, or 13-ounce contents. Then on the back, it has... It is a beer company, I believe. The Schnugenhof from Chicago. I could be wrong. Got a classic Raleigh's, a bigger size, a clear variant. Not as common to find it in clear. And there's Nile qualities. Your classic California fig syrups. Some of the most common bottles in the galaxy. Listerine, Lambert Chemical Company. One of these bowl dishes. Don't know exactly what those are for, but still nice looking. We got this wheel looking insulator thing with some writing. Like November 8th, 1892 or something. Never seen one of those. We got an amber ink. We got it's got flash, but it's a Schaefer's Scrimp. In somewhat okay condition. It looks like the moon's in there, but we got a dish tray from W.H. Grinley & Co., England. Then for this bottle, nice kick up there. It says Arak Punska, and this is from Finland, Sweden. It's a like punch wine type thing. So we have that, which is pretty cool. And we have a ball, Perfect Mason. Looks really nice, good condition. Then your classic SB and whatever Co. Dr. Pepper. Some Wild Root Company, Buffalo, New York. Just a really nice blue unembossed, like a remedy type bottle. Yacht Club salad dressing. Yet another Yacht Club salad dressing. Then a Dr. D. Jane's Expectorant Philadelphia. He also makes Venesum type bottles. Oh, this is a half size too, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, we've been finding a lot of bottles. Yeah, just a lot in general. Like here's that Dr. Pepper from Wichita I found at one point. But yeah, got a lot of bottles, so thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope y'all have a lovely day.